Hi everybody, how y'all doing today, and welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing of the Apevia 700 watt power supply. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, there she goes. The Apevia Essence power supply. This is a semi-modular power supply. It has 700 watt PSU with 12 centimeter fan, hybrid module cables, support single 12 volt output for higher power usage, support SLI, crossfire and Haswell, support dual, quad and multi-core CPUs, support ATX 12 volt 2.3 version, low noise, auto thermal control 135 millimeter fan. Heavy duty protection includes OVP, which is over voltage protection, OPP is over power protection, and SCP, short circuit protection. So since I went all over the specifications of it, let's get right into the unboxing and get a good view of this power supply. As you see, one thing about the box before I get into the unboxing, nice good presentation by Apevia. Now I know some of y'all won't buy Apevia, but the reason why I brought Apevia, this power supply brand right here, because it was on sale for $39.99 on Amazon. All the other power supplies in this price range was going over $89.99 to $250. Now y'all keep in mind, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get a good power supply. Power supplies are overpriced now due to the shortage of tech components. Yes, power supplies and cases are going up sky high. It is hard to catch a case on sale or back in stock at its price level. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Apevia Essence power supply. As you see right here, simple, basic box. Essence series power supply. You know, something simple. There's your model. It's black. Model number is ATX ES700 and it's made in China. There's the website, which I'll be putting that in the description below if you want to go ahead and check their parts out. Now keep in mind, if your system is overclocked, which I know about 20% of PC users have their system overclocked, I'm talking about Gamers Universe, then this power supply might not be for you. But if you do not overclock your system and your system is not power hungry, like somebody said, power hungry GPUs and CPUs, then this power supply would be a good addition for you. I have a low powered system, so this is why I chose this power supply. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. What we have in the box, we have the user manual. If you don't know what you're doing, we always refer to your manual in simple control hookups and understanding the product. You have your power cable. You have the power supply itself, and of course your power supply screws and your rails. Let's unbox, let's unwrap it, let's see what comes with these rails. Bear with me. Alrighty, you get your PCIe rail. You get your Molex connector, SATA connector. Same thing here. An additional Molex and SATA connector. Same here. Molex, SATA connector, and your floppy drive cable. Yes. Show you all three rails. get 4. Now if you're old school, you still connect on the floppy drives, then you get 1 here. Your Molex connector here, your all Molex, and you get your SATA rail connector there. Alrighty, let's get into the unboxing of it. She feels heavy, very sturdy, good quality. It's semi-modular, as I said. You get your PCI Express rail and all your SATA connector rails there. On this unraveling here is your nice good 24-pin rail, as well as your CPU rail. So now what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to go ahead and give her a power boost to see if she will turn on, and there will be no complications. You always want to have a tester here to see if this turns on and there will not be any sparks. So let's get right into that. And nice good lengthy cable, about a good 4 feet cable, 4 to 5 feet cable here. Alright, she's on. She's working. You see the fan turning. She's not smoking. That's good. Alrighty, will I recommend this power supply? Yes. It's a semi-modular, as you see there, semi-modular. Which I'm very happy because I don't have to worry about connecting all those cables up. And I will be doing a stress test with this power supply like I did with my Raid Max Vortex power supply, using Cinebench, multi-core test, testing the power level of it, make sure the rails are good to go. She runs good. I'm not feeling no static shock, anything. So she's not smoking. She's very quiet, so that's a big plus. Alrighty, just like I said, I will be doing the stress test using Cinebench R23, running the multi-core test because this will be running on my editing rig. I know some of y'all said, Ron, you crazy. You shouldn't put that in there, but hey, I had my Raid Max for over 3 years now, and the reason why I'm going up to something more beefier because maybe later on down the line, I might add the RTX 3050 in my system there. So 700 watt power supply is good. It's semi-modular. So let's see what this baby will do when I run Cinebench R23. I want to thank y'all for watching this unboxing of the Apevia Essence 700 watt semi-modular power supply. I will be putting all the link information from Apevia in the description below. If you want to purchase this for yourself, there's some good reviews on it. Some of them have some bad reviews. Read the reviews first before you purchase. That's how I did. I trust Apevia because I run an Apevia 450 watt in my entertainment system in the living room. It's been going good for 2 years now. The issue. And I will be doing a power wattage plug as well when I do the stress test on it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.